Welcome to the Times Higher Education THE Live ANZ virtual event. There are a number of ways to communicate during the event in the networking area. Number 1, wall posts. You can post public messages on a user's wall, and these posts may be viewed by other users looking at that profile. To add a wall post, click on the person's name you wish to talk to in the networking area or exhibition hall, and click on the pencil icon above the person's image, and post your message. Number 2, private messages. You can send and receive secure, private messages with other users just like you would use email. Click on the envelope icon on their profile and fill in the message in a subject. You will be notified if you have a private message from an individual, if a wall post is added to your profile, or if you have a response to a question you may have asked, by a bell icon showing a red exclamation label appearing in the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Click on the bell icon to view your notifications in a pop-up box, which will take you straight to your profile messages or to chats. You may also receive email notifications. You can switch these on or off in your profile.